Hi everyone, this week is Parshat Shmini. It opens up with the dedication of the tabernacle, the Mishkan in the wilderness, God's house that has been built by the gifts of all the Jewish people. What an exciting day it was going to be. And yet, this day was marked by tragedy, the loss of two siblings, two brothers, Nadav and Avihu, the children of Aaron HaKohen. I can't even imagine what that was like, talking about opposite emotions. Aaron, who was going to lead the service, experienced such a tragic loss. Moshe tries to comfort his brother with words from Hashem, and Aaron's response is Vayidom Aaron. Aaron is silent. And the Mefarshim all tried to add their own angle, what was going through Aaron's mind. Did he accept God's justice, but could put no words to it? Was there so much pain that he couldn't cry? Or that he cried and then stopped crying? Not clear, but certainly pain, that's for sure. My friend Hillel Fuld posted a picture that I'm going to share with you. And what you see in front of you are three sets of siblings who have been murdered. Life has been taken from them by terrorists in the past 8 weeks. Three sets of siblings. You're looking at Usher and Yaakov Peli, Hillel and Yigal, Yaniv, and Rina and Maya D. In 8 weeks, 3 pairs of siblings have been taken from our people. I don't know what to say. I too, Vayidom, I am silent. We are also in the time of Sfirat HaOmer, where the 12,000 pairs of students of Rabbi Kiva passed away over a 33-day period. And the Gemara says, because they didn't treat each other properly. Again, I don't know what that means, but it's not good. Obviously, there's a difference here. One was brought on by a plague, and the tragedy that we've experienced these 8 weeks were brought on by our enemies. Hard to understand, and hard to feel and understand the immense pain that the families are going through. However, I'd like to offer something for us to think about to honor the memory of these 3 sets of siblings during this period as we count up to Shavuot. Maybe we can take a page out of the book of Ephraim and Menashe, of Moshe and Aaron, of Rachel and Leah, about the love and respect that they all had for each other, to see our brothers and sisters as our loving siblings. We may not agree, but let us try. I certainly am going to try to honor the memory of those siblings by trying to be a better sibling to all of those around me. If you feel someone can benefit from this video, please pass it forward. I wish everybody a Shabbat Shalom, and let's hope for better news to come.